Hello guys, welcome to the channel Chroniclers. So today's topic is on movies, animated movies. So before going to the topic, I want to say a thing that if you ask me what is a good movie according to my opinion, then I will say that according to my own opinion, my personal opinion, a good movie is a movie which has a strong emotions between two or more people according to the plot line, that means story, and it should also have a bit of humor, that means comedy scenes are important, and also it should have a good plot line, a good storyline. So I think that animated movies also have all these three things, so we can watch them. So I watch, but somebody feel shy to watch them. But in this video, I will answer all WH questions about animated movies. So let's start the video. Oh, already I started now. So first one, who invented animated movies? He is Emil Cole. Yes, he is the person who invented these animated movies for the first time, and his animated movies were so impressive, and they were also good at that time. So let's go to the next question. Why we need to watch them? So in my 8th class, I had an English sir named Shivakrishna sir. He used to say that to improve your English language, see English animated movies. They have good story and a good language, and these are also like normal films, but here they don't need to get shooting. So that's the point. And let's go to next one. Where we can watch them? Where will we go? We can't go out. Stay home, stay safe. Outside virus is waiting for you guys. Don't go out, stay home. Your phone has everything, you can see in your phone and watch them out. Next question. What are animated movies? If you want to read, then pause the video and read if you have patience, or else I will explain. So animated movies are also just like normal movies, but here they don't need any shooting. They are made by CGI. Here they are also like normal movies, but here they are somewhat imaginary stories, and but these animated movies will also have a good story plotline, and they will also entertain us. How can you watch them? In your phone. As I said, your phone has everything. It also has some apps like Disney Plus Hotstar, YouTube, Amazon Prime Video, and many apps, even like Netflix. In those, you can watch all these movies. Next one. When can you watch? So, this lockdown time is really very much, I don't know when it will end, but this time you can watch it. So actually this video is on top 7 movies, animated movies, which have good emotions, which convey good emotions. Let's start this. Number 1, Up. This is also a very good animated movies, and it also have a good plot line, and in this movie you can feel everything, almost everything, every emotion you can feel here: comedy, serious, irritating, and it is a adventurous movie. If you are a fan of adventurous movies, you can surely watch this, and it will also entertain. I am saying again, if you are an adventurous movie fan, you surely watch this, and it has all those what you can feel, almost all those emotions that you can feel. It has all those. So I say surely watch this movie. It is a really good entertaining movie, maybe somewhat imaginary, but it is really entertaining. So let's go further into our list. So the next one is number 2. The number 2 is Yeah, the number 2 is Wally. Who don't like love stories? And love stories which have a good emotion and good plot line, they will always be liked by all type of audience. So this story has a good emotions. I am sure that at climax it will make you cry. This is a story between two robots, but it has so realistic emotions. I am 100% sure that it will make you cry. It's a must watch movie. So see this one out, Wally. And this movie is also a humorous movie, a comedy movie. It has a good comedy and also good emotions. As I said, it is a best movie. So this is our top 2, Wally. This is really a good movie. And let's move on to the next ones. So the further in this list is number 3. Yeah, let's go to the number 3. So number 3 is Coco. This is my personal favorite movie in this whole list. So this is a story of a boy, and he always wanted to become a musician, but his family opposes him, and he just leaves his family to become a musician. And at last he come to know some truths about his family, and also he get back into his family, and he again, and this time his family supports music. So that is, so simply you can say this story like this, but it is really a good movie. Just watch it away right now. And it's my personally favorite. I'm saying again, it's a story of every boy who has passion, but his family doesn't support this. So it's a good entertaining, and I am saying for sure the climax scene will make you guys cry, really cry. So that's our number 3. And the next one, number 4. Number 4 is Finding Nemo. I say that I saw this movie when I was young, but I still remember this movie story. I am really emotionally connected to this movie. Just watch it out once. You will also know about how great this movie is. And next, number 5, Spider-Man Into Spider-Verse. So this movie is not based on actually Spider-Man. It is based on Miles Morales. It's a good movie. In this also, even it is a action movie, it also has emotions which make this movie even special. In this, I'm saying again, in this movie Spider-Man is not the main character, and the emotions and the relationship between Miles and his parents and his uncle is shown very beautifully in this movie. Once I say watch out this movie, it is also for action lovers and the people who like to see Marvel movies. They must watch this movie. It is a complete entertainer movie. And I'm saying again, even though it's a action movie, it also has some emotions which make this show special. And in this you can see not only a one Spider-Man, there are a group of Spider-Mans in this movie. So I don't want to spoil this movie. Let's go to the next one. Number 6, How to Train Your Dragon. I know that many of you saw this poster, and this movie is also famous for its emotions, because this shows a relationship or emotion between a person and his pet, a person and an animal. You know what, it is also a good adventurous movie. If you are a fan of an adventure movie, you can surely see this movie. And also it has a great emotions. They show that relationship between these two, a person and a dragon, so perfectly. And at the climax when the dragon leaves this person and goes, I say it is really very much emotional, even more than when Butterfree leaves the ash. If you are a Pokemon fan, you will know that. So it's also a good movie, good emotional movie, and it also has a good plot line and a bit of comedy. So this is number 6, and let's go to the next one, number 7. Number 7, Inside Out. So this is really different movie from all others. It is a movie which is for family audience. Everyone can see this movie, but it is really hard to understand. But when you understand this movie, it will just impress you so much. This movie actually says that not only happiness and joy, they all emotions in our life are important. All emotions, even sad, fear, angry, these all are important in our life. So that's what the movie says. And this movie says much things in just two parts. In just two scenes it can say and explain many things. It is really a good movie. Once watch this movie you will understand, and once you understand you will get impressed by this movie. So this is the list, guys. These are top 7 emotional animated movies which will surely entertain you. And once watch any one of this movie. If you don't like animated movies, anyone, all these Finding Nemo, Coco or Inside Out, you will become fan of these movies. Oh wait, I forgot to say where you can get these movies. So you will get Up in Disney Plus Hotstar, Up movie in Disney Plus Hotstar, Wall-E in again in Disney Plus Hotstar only. You will get this movie, and Coco. I said that was my personal favorite. So that Coco you will also get in Disney Plus Hotstar. Finding Nemo, that also you will get in Disney Plus Hotstar. Don't think all you get in that only. So this is also Disney Plus Hotstar. Spider-Man Into Spider-Verse, it is available in YouTube, not for free, just 80 rupees. If you want to see this movie you can pay 80 rupees or see other movies as you wish. And How to Train Your Dragon is available on Netflix, not Disney Plus Hotstar. Inside Out is again available in Disney Plus Hotstar. So that's the video, guys. Like this video. Oh wait, see, as we said, we have completed one topic about movies. All those topics we have completed one about movies. So now you subscribe our channel. I'm saying you will surely word about this subscribe button. And don't forget to like this video, share this video to all your friends or anyone. Share this video to all and subscribe to our channel and see these movies and comment which one is your favorite movie. So that's the video, guys. Thank you.